So tayo ngayon ay maglalaro. Phase 0. Siguro phase 1 eh. So tayo ngayon maglalaro. So tayo ngayon ay maglalaro ng Flea! Sprunky Phase 3. May ads pa talaga. Wait. Sincerely, warning, if you do not know what Sprunky is, leave this project. If it's scary stuff like it's chop, you know what I should play something else. I am warning you as much as I can do. Do not blame me. If you blame me, it's not my fault. I told you it would be scary. Hindi ko nabasa. Kaya na magbasa na. Is this all? Oh. What? Hello? Is somebody right here? Hindi, walang tao dito. Asan si Black? Si Black. Si Orin yun. That is not Raddy. So, usually, ito ay just basics. Identifiers. So, what? Weird. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh. What? New secret. Umalis lang siya. Wala akong ginagawa. Umalis lang siya. Umalis siya. Ba't siya umalis? Okay. Weird. Gray, are you okay? Okay. What's wrong with this character? Ganyan yung itsura nila pag nag-i-interact sa kanila eh. Ay, okay na. Nakita nga pala natin. Okay. Weird. Huh? What is that? It looks like a poop. What? We unlock a secret. Character. Secret character. We got two purples now. Sino may mata? Nani? What the heck? Parehas siya dito. Pero hindi ko lang siya ma-interact. Is he the mastermind daw? So, feeling ko siya na nga yung mastermind. I know. Oh my goodness. What the? That is not under. That is an abnormal missing. Wala lang siya. Missing nga. Okay. Umalis ka na dito. Okay. Umalis lang ba siya? Parang talaga. Naalis ko lang. Ang bago mastermind natin ay si Si Simon. Oh my goodness. Hindi natin makakawa. Ay, naku, gising nga. Ito naman na siguro nagtatapos ang video. Kung gusto niyo part 2 or kung gusto niyo maglaro ng iba, like and subscribe.